In a move that's sparking widespread backlash and confusion across the internet, 1000 LB Sisters star Tammy Slaton has once again landed herself in hot water with fans, critics, and even some medical professionals. Following her life-changing skin removal surgery and a jaw-dropping transformation that had the world rallying behind her, a recent video of Tammy seemingly weird pink post-op has not only stunned her loyal supporters but has also stirred a heated debate. Rather than shy away from the criticism or issue a carefully worded PR apology, Tammy came out swinging with a bold statement: "It's ridiculous." Her unapologetic tone has ignited a wildfire of reactions across social media, raising questions about her health, her priorities, and how far she's real. Why come? The controversy exploded when a clip circulated on TikTok, showing Tammy casually weird pink while chatting with fans during a live session. The comments flooded in almost immediately. Viewers expressed disbelief, with many questioning why someone who has just undergone major surgery, a skin removal procedure that is often paired with intense recovery protocols, would risk complications by inhaling potentially harmful substances. Tammy, however, wasn't having it. She brushed off the accusations of being reckless or irresponsible, labeling the entire outcry as overblown and based on assumptions. According to Tammy, the clip was taken out of context, and what people saw was not an indication of her everyday behavior or attitude toward her health. But for many, the damage was already done. This isn't the first time Tammy has faced public scrutiny over her habits and choices. Throughout her journey on 1000 LB Sisters, the TLC reality star has had to navigate a complicated relationship with food, addiction, and mental health, all under the unforgiving spotlight of fame. Her initial struggles with weight spiraled into a medical crisis, leading to hospitalizations, therapy, and a hard-fought road toward bariatric surgery. When she finally achieved what once seemed impossible, losing enough weight to qualify for surgery, fans rejoiced. They rooted for her during her skin removal surgery and celebrated her physical transformation with emotional posts and viral video reactions. So, to see her engaging in behavior that many perceive as self-destructive has felt like a betrayal to some. But Tammy sees things differently. In her response to the backlash, she emphasized personal agency and the importance of making her own decisions, even if those decisions aren't popular. "I've worked hard for my body, and I'm proud of where I am," she said during an Instagram live session. "That doesn't mean I'm perfect. People act like I can't make a single mistake or enjoy anything without it being a problem. It's ridiculous." Her tone was defiant, not defensive, and it became clear that Tammy is more focused on reclaiming her independence than pleasing the court of public opinion. Still, the medical community has weighed in with concern. Dr. Harold Simmons, a bariatric specialist unaffiliated with Tammy's care, told local news outlets that weird pink after surgery, particularly after a procedure as serious as skin removal, can hinder healing and increase risks. Any form of smoking or inhalation can negatively impact oxygen levels and tissue repair, he explained. When a patient undergoes a skin removal surgery, their immune system is already working overtime. Introducing toxins through weird pink can increase the chance of infection or prolonged recovery. While he refrained from commenting specifically on Tammy's situation, his words only added to the growing worry among fans who feel like Tammy might be sabotaging her progress. Tammy's defiance is not entirely surprising to those who have followed her from the beginning. She's always had a rebellious streak, whether it was clashing with doctors, storming out of therapy sessions, or arguing with family members who tried to push her toward change. But many hope that her recent transformation would mark a turning point, not just physically but emotionally. In fact, her emotional growth was a key storyline in the latest season of 1000 LB Sisters, as viewers watched her open up about trauma, heartbreak, and the pressure of fame. There was a glimmer of vulnerability that fans hadn't seen before, a sense that maybe, just maybe, Tammy was ready to embrace a healthier and more stable lifestyle, which is why this latest controversy feels like a regression. Critics have accused her of sending mixed signals, especially to fans who look up to her as a symbol of perseverance and strength. Social media influencers, many of whom have made careers out of promoting body positivity and health, have responded with mixed emotions. Some argue that Tammy has the right to live her life as she sees fit, while others insist that public figures, especially those who rose to fame because of a health-centric journey, have a responsibility to set a good example. In response to the outcry, TLC has remained silent, choosing not to comment on the matter. However, insiders say the network is closely monitoring fan reactions. A producer from the show, who asked not to be named, hinted that the incident may become part of the storyline in the upcoming season. Everything Tammy does makes waves, they said. That's part of why the show is so popular. But we also care about her well-being. We don't encourage anything that puts our cast members at risk. Meanwhile, Tammy's sister Amy has kept a low profile. The two have had a turbulent relationship, especially in recent months. Some fans believe Amy is privately disappointed with Tammy's choices but doesn't want to add fuel to the fire. Others speculate that the sisters might be gearing up for another major clash on screen. If history is any indicator, drama between the siblings tends to spike ratings, but this time, the stakes feel higher. Tammy's post-surgery recovery isn't just about her body, it's about whether she can truly leave behind the patterns that nearly destroyed her. On the flip side, some fans have taken to defending Tammy, arguing that the public is being too harsh. They point out that recovery is rarely a straight line and that people make mistakes. She's not a robot, one commenter wrote on Reddit. She's been through hell and back. Let her breathe. Others echoed that sentiment, saying that people should remember Tammy is still navigating intense psychological trauma and should be given room to heal, even if she occasionally slips up. We don't know what she's going through, another fan said. We just see clips online. That's not the whole story. Tammy herself seems to be leaning into that narrative. In another social media post, she reminded followers that she's human and still learning. This journey is mine. Y'all don't see the work I put in every day. The therapy, the pain, the tears. But y'all are quick to judge when I have a weak moment. I'm not gonna pretend to be perfect just to make y'all comfortable. Quote, yet even as she tries to explain her side, the backlash continues. Petitions have emerged demanding TLC impose stricter health requirements on its reality stars, and hashtags like #TammyNeedsHelp and #ProtectMe have trended sporadically. The fan base is clearly split, torn between admiration and concern, between hope and frustration. As the drama unfolds, one thing is clear, Tammy Slaton remains one of the most polarizing figures in reality TV. Her journey from near-death to national fame has captivated millions, but it's also placed her under an unforgiving microscope. Every decision she makes is dissected, every action critiqued. And while Tammy may be fighting to reclaim control of her life, her fame, and the expectations that come with it may prove to be a heavier burden than even her old weight ever was. For now, all eyes remain on Tammy. Will she learn from this moment and recommit to her health? Or will her defiance lead her down another dangerous path? One thing is certain, whatever happens next, the world will be watching. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.